If you want to start a POS roll factory in South Africa, the first thing to understand is this: most local businesses are not paper mills. They are converters. They buy jumbo rolls, then slit, rewind, pack, store, and distribute finished sizes like 57 by 40 for card machines and 80 by 80 or 80 by 83 for larger POS printers. So your investment depends on what kind of factory you want to build. If you are starting small, with standard rolls and no printing, you usually need one automatic thermal paper slitter rewinder, basic packing equipment, a small warehouse, and working capital for jumbo rolls, cores, cartons, and labor. A basic 900mm thermal paper slitter is commonly listed around US $4,500 to US $0,000, but in South Africa you must also add shipping, installation, and 15% import VAT. If you want a more stable commercial setup, the cost rises quickly. Why? Because South African customers do not only want rolls, they want stable stock, fast delivery, and consistent quality. That means more warehouse space, better packaging, backup power, and stronger cash flow. And if you want to serve bigger retail customers with branded rolls or printed backs, then you need more than a slitting machine. You may need flexo printing, larger packing capacity, and a stronger distribution system. So in simple words, a small starter factory is one level, a real local supply factory is another level, and a printed, branded, distribution-ready factory is a much bigger investment. In South Africa, the real question is not just, how much is the machine? The real question is, what kind of factory do you want to become?